So what is a receivable? So a receivable is when we are owed money. It's that simple. So if we've invoiced a customer, then we have a receivable with that customer, as long as we expect to collect that receivable. And so a good example, I work with a lot of software companies, right? And so if I have sold a piece of software, I will invoice, and I have to deliver that software to a customer. Then I'll invoice the customer for that software and say, you owe me $1 million for this software. As soon as I've invoiced the customer, I'll have an accounts receivable. That means that I'm entitled to money that I have billed for. That's what a receivable is. And so normally when we debit, well, since it's an asset, it's going to have a debit normal balance. And when we debit accounts receivable, we're normally talking about crediting sales here. So if I'm a service business, and I performed a service for you, I will debit accounts receivable once I've invoiced you and credit sales. If I haven't performed the service or I haven't earned it yet, we can also credit deferred revenue, the liability, because it's unearned, but we still have a right to bill.